In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report a crash on Apple Maps. Before we start, a quick safety reminder: only report a crash when it's safe to do so. If you're driving, pull over or wait until you've parked. Your safety comes first. Begin by opening the Apple Maps app on your iPhone. Make sure you're on the main map screen, not in active navigation. If you see a destination or route preview open, just close it so you're back to the standard map view. This makes it easier to access the right menu. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the screen to find the option labelled Report an Issue. On some versions, you might need to open the info panel or scroll the home sheet to reveal it. Tap Report an Issue to move into the reporting tools. When the Report an Issue screen opens, you may see a list of options. Go ahead and choose Report an Issue again to proceed. This ensures you're in the correct place to describe what happened and where. Now, select something else. This option is useful when the preset categories don't match exactly what you're trying to share. In this case, you're reporting a crash, so choosing something else lets you explain the situation clearly in your own words. Add the details that will help Apple understand and verify the report. You can include a brief description of the crash, the exact location or nearest cross street, and any relevant context like whether lanes are blocked. If the app allows, you can attach photos, but only take or upload photos if it's safe, appropriate, and compliant with local laws. Avoid sharing any personal or sensitive information about yourself or others. Clear, concise details are best. Think what would be most helpful to drivers and reviewers, such as direction of travel, time observed, and whether emergency services are already on scene. Once your description looks good, tap Send in the top right corner. You may be prompted to share your location to help pinpoint the incident. Allowing precise location can improve accuracy. After you tap Send, your report is submitted to Apple for review. You typically won't receive a confirmation message back, but your input helps keep the map more accurate for everyone. A couple of final tips. If you don't see the Report an Issue option, make sure the app is updated to the latest version of iOS and Apple Maps. Also, remember that features can vary by region. If you need to make a correction later, you can return to the same Report an Issue area and submit another note with updated information. That's it, quick, clear, and helpful. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.